Shalom, shalom family. Once again, I'm excited to be coming back to your screens with nothing but some very exciting and delicious dishes that you can easily recreate in your kitchen. Let's turn up the heat. So today, we are going to be making a very, very delicious breakfast, or you can even call it a brunch, because this dish is so filling and so satisfying. You can do this as a snack, you can do this as a main meal, you can also do this just as a light meal. So we are going to be making some egg muffins. Okay, what's a breakfast without an egg? What's a side dish without some eggs? So here are the ingredients for the day. The way I'm going to be making them, I'm going to be making them in two ways. So we're going to have two different flavors so that there is variety. Even if you're going to be hosting, this is a very, very good dish for your guests. So here are my ingredients. The first egg muffin that you're going to make is the feta spinach egg muffin. And my ingredients are definitely, they are going to be eggs. And we're going to mix it with some cream. And we're going to have the feta cheese and the spinach cheese, and of course, some cherry tomatoes. Then the second one is going to be bacon and broccoli egg muffin. And definitely, we've got bacon here, and we've got some broccoli that I have blanched. And we're going to add in this one cheddar cheese and some peppers, of course, just to add that crunchy texture in the dish. So my pan is heating up, so I'm going to add just a drop of oil because we are frying our bacon and we don't need much oil. Right, let me grab some tongue. Now I'll be slightly frying my bacon. You can use any type of bacon you have, or any other cold meats that you have. You don't have to go for bacon always. These dishes are so versatile. You can substitute any ingredients and put whatever you have. So whilst our bacon is cooking, I'm going to be mixing our eggs. So because I'm going to be using a small muffin tray, just with about 6 portions, I'm going to use 6 eggs here. And let me crack the eggs. 1. By the way, when you're cracking your eggs, you don't have to do it directly into the bowl. You can use a smaller bowl to crack one by one. In case you come across a rotten one, then you put here. These ones are fresh. I'm now on 3, right? Let me turn up my bacon. Right, so we season our egg with some pepper, and some salt. You don't have to over season at this juncture because we still have our cheeses, and some cheeses are a bit salty. Then we're going to add cream, just half a cup. Then I like adding a little bit of cheese again in the mixture, in the egg mixture, so that they are really cheesy, you know. Then we get our whisking. It looks creamy already. Then we set this aside. Whilst our bacon is cooking, I'm going to be chopping the peppers, and I'm using this plastic board here. If you don't like peppers, you can substitute with any other vegetable of your choice. You can put baby marrow, you can put green beans, you can put carrots. But this dish is very nutritious. And for those kids who don't like veggies, this is a tricky way, you know, to make them eat the vegetables, because in every bite they are definitely going to encounter the veggies. Right, so these are done. We'll put this aside and grab the bacon because we need to chop it up. Right, so this is it. So these are nicely chopped, nicely diced. You can even make them crispier than this, but this is fine because they're going to get inside. So when we come back, we will now be assembling our egg muffins. Don't go away. I'm still here with you, Chef Lynn. See you in the next segment. Welcome back to our second segment. You're still with me, your host, Chef Lynn. And today we are making egg muffins. And like I told you, eggs are one of the most nutritious foods on planet Earth. So we're starting with the bacon, broccoli, and cheddar egg muffin. So first of all, let me just butter my pan. I grab a little butter here. Spread the pan well. We don't want them to stick, right? Fine. Right, I'm going to add the cheddar first because I want that bottom to be cheesy. And to take the shape of the muffin tray. So cheese is the best ingredient to melt and mold into the shape of the muffin tray. Right, I'm sure this is fine. Let me add a little bit in this one. Right, then I'm going to add the broccoli. Just a little per each. So my broccoli is blanched, though you can even put it raw because veggies can be eaten raw as well. Then next up, I'm going to add my peppers. I like these peppers because they are colorful. They are also a good source of vitamins, and they are crunchy. I've also heard that eggs have got a lot of health benefits. That includes the heart, even the liver. When you eat eggs, you are avoiding a lot of diseases. Then the star of the dish, the bacon. Allow me to be generous here because bacon is delicious. Right, and now let me just remix this, put it here. Then I'm pouring my eggs. Imagine all these things that we put inside in one bite. I want to be fair every time, so when I see that another one is not completely filled, I go back and fill it. So now this one is ready for the oven. Let me put it aside whilst we do the feta and spinach one very fast. So we're going to add some more eggs. Seasoning. Again, we are not putting too much because feta is salty. I'm going to add a little bit of cream. My eyes can measure. Right, this is done. Again, we are buttering our pan. So please try this dish at home and let us know what you think of it. But definitely I know this is one dish that you will have people asking for more, and those with a little bit of guts will go ahead and ask you for the recipe. Right, this is well buttered. Again, we're going to add our ingredients. I'm starting with the feta here. I'll put some at the bottom and I'll also put some on top. Right, and our peppers are also coming here. Right, then quickly I'm going to be slicing these into halves, our cherry tomatoes. And remember, cherry and feta, they also go well together. I'm sure they are enough to cover our 6 muffins. I told you I'm very fair. Let me add one more to this one. Now we're putting the spinach. You can use any spinach like I'm using today, our ordinary spinach, but baby spinach can also do. All these veggies are very nutritious. And finally, we are pouring our egg mixture. You do it gently so that you don't overspill. So whilst I'm doing this, my oven is already on. I'm preheating it at 180 degrees. I'm also going to crumble some feta on top so that it's showing when the eggs are cooked. When it comes to cheese, please forgive me. I'm a little bit biased. I'm sure by now you know you can never have enough cheese. Right, so this is perfect. Let me just spruce up here. Then my used glove in the bin. So here are our two different types of egg muffins, and we're going to put them in the oven. By the time we come back, these will be done and we will be testing them. So don't switch off that TV. Stay tuned for some more. Remember, you're watching In the Kitchen only on Christ TV. Hey you guys, I know you're still here and you can't wait to see the final result. Welcome back to the third and final segment of today's episode, In the Kitchen. And I am your host, Chef Lynn. So let's see. After a good 15 minutes, what do we have? This one is the spinach, the feta, the cherry tomato one, and it's looking delicious. Even the aroma, oh, it's divine. It's calling my name. Okay, let's just wait a few minutes for it to cool down. Then we'll take it out. And again, we have the bacon one. Wow. Oh my God, it's so hot. It's so hot. It's piping hot. Wow. Again, it's looking so divine. Let me close the oven and switch it off whilst I grab my spatula. Time to plate. Now time to plate, and as you know, you can just start by garnishing our plate. To give it some flair, right? Right, my spatula. Let me pick this one up. How many should I take out? at least 3, 4. Okay, maybe 4 of each. Then the other one. Oh my god. Oh my god, I just can't wait, you know. This dish has got tremendous proteins. It's a source of proteins, it's a source of vitamins. And what's good about it is that, you know, eggs are very affordable. You can find them almost anywhere. So it's a very convenient dish. It's an inexpensive dish. You don't have to break the bank for you to have this kind of meal in your house. For your kids, you can put it in the lunch boxes. You can make it for after school, you know, when they come back, they can just have this as their light lunch. So this is how it looks. Let me just throw in some more bacon. And what's wrong with some more cheese? Some more cheese and some more greens. Let me wipe my hands and take this away. So you can imagine serving this to your guests or your friends or your father of the house and even your kids. You'll be the super mom and the queen of the house. I know there's one more thing that you're waiting for me to test on your behalf, and I will definitely do that with so much pleasure. So which one should I start with? Let's go for this one. Can you see the spinach? And the egg is it's done. It's perfectly cooked. This is tasting heavenly. Let me go to the second one. I know a lot of you love bacon, and this is definitely okay, family, this has been the show for today. The egg muffins, you can substitute any ingredient with whatever you have in your fridge or in your pantry. You know, these dishes are affordable. They are easy to follow. You can recreate it at home in the comfort of your home. And I wish you all the best. Please let me know what you think. Send in the comments, send in the messages, send in the feedback. Would want to hear from you. This is Chef Lynn, your host for your favorite program, In the Kitchen, only on Christ TV. See you again next time.